afternoon, student 10 student almost forgetting my procedure. Yeah. Today in physics I am going to start the new chapter, that is spectrum, chapter 6, the last chapter of light. In this chapter you have to study mainly the property of the ray, individual property and common property. That you have to learn. Right? And the factor on which the deviation produce whatever it is. So in last chapter you have studied this on the D. This is incidence ray, this is emergent ray, this is normal, this is angle of incidence, this is normal, this is angle of reflection, this is the delta 1 deviation of this phase, this is delta 2 deviation on this phase, and this is delta deviation produced by the ray when a ray of light entered from air to glass and emerges out in air. So total deviation produced delta. Now when you will see this figure, this is triangle, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Means delta will be equal to delta 1 plus delta. Now three factor it depends. The deviations depend upon the three factors that you explained in the last chapter. First, angle of the plate, maybe equilateral, isosceles, right angle. So it depends upon the angle of the plate. Second, angle of incidence. This one, angle of it, at what angle the ray of light strikes on the face of the plate. Okay? And third factor, refractive index. Since the refractive index depends upon the wavelength. Wavelength and refractive index is inversely proportional to each other. So when the wavelength is more, refractive index will be less. Or wavelength is less, the refractive index will be more. So you can say the refractive index of color or wavelength of the light. Why color or the wavelength of the light? All the color have the same speed in air or vacuum. Once again, all the color have the same speed in air or in vacuum, and that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But when it enter in different medium, from air to the different medium, the speed of all the colors are different. Why different? Because the refractive index is different, wavelength is different. Whenever the wavelength will be different, naturally the refractive index will be changed. And that's why, see the violet color wavelength is 4000 and red color 4000 angstrom, and red color wavelength is 8000 angstrom. So wavelength of red light is 8000 angstrom, means their refractive index is less. And violet color 4000 angstrom, means their refractive index is more. Right? So this is the this thing you have to study. Now come to one very important relations which will deviate more, because you have to study about the deviations. I explained your deviation will depend upon the three factors. Now I explain you which color has more wavelength and less wavelength. Now come to know here from derivation which color will deviate more or which color will deviate less. So first of all, this you know this one, mu means refractive index is equal to speed in air by speed in medium. You can don't write glass here, write medium. Medium may be any, either glass or water or any other medium except the air. And mu is equal to Snell's, you know, Snell's law, sin I by sin I. So once again, mu is equal to speed in air by speed in medium. And mu is equal to sin I by sin R from Snell's law. From here we can write sin R is equal to sin I by mu. And from deviation, you know, I minus R. Now see the condition. Watch it carefully, listen it carefully. If the speed in medium is more, or you can say the wavelength, either you use the word speed or the wavelength. If speed is more or wavelength is more, refractive index will be less, according to inversely proportional. Now, when refractive index will be less, refraction will be more, because sin R stands for reflection. Refraction will be more. Now, when refraction will be more, what do you mean? Deviation will be less, because delta is equal to I minus R. this R value is maximum, more than this I, deviation will be. Once again, if wavelength will be more, refractive index will be less. Refractive index will be less, the reflection will be more. When the reflection will be more, then the deviation will be less. Next, if the wavelength will be more, less, refractive index will be more. Refractive index will be more, reflection less, then deviation will be more. And that's why the violet color deviate maximum and the red color deviate less. So the deviation of the violet color is maximum and the deviation of red color is minimum. Right? So now the topic you have to study. When a ray of light entered from air to glass, this is glass, the light, what is this scattering and what is dispersion? The phenomena of splitting of white light is not a white light, it is a mixture of 7 colors. Right? When all the colors, 7 colors mix, it appears to be white. So when white light, a monochromatic means single. So when a monochromatic white light, I am using the word monochromatic white light falls on the glass, when entering the glass, its reflection will be different. Why different? Because now in other medium, this speed will be changed. When it comes to emergent out, again they are different. Because of the different speed, we can obtain all the 7 colors. On the if we put the screen over here, we can obtain all the 7 colors. So what is the scattering? The phenomena of splitting of white light into its constituent color is known as a scattering of light. We follow this. Dispersion. What is dispersion? The phenomena of white light splitting in its constituent color is known as dispersion of light. And what is a spectrum? The band of color, 7 color obtained on, when we put the screen over here, the band of 7 color obtained on the screen is known as a spectrum. So once again, what is dispersion? Splitting of white light when it enters from air to glass. So splitting of white light into its constituent color is known as a dispersion. And the band of color obtained, when we put a screen over here, the band of color obtained on the screen is known as a spectrum. Next day I will explain you some more detail. Thank you very much.